From the dashboard, we'll simply go over to the left-hand side and click the Add New Project button. From there, we'll click the Advanced Project link, and that will load the Advanced Project page. The first field of data we have is a project name, so for that I'll just use Test Project, and we'll move on down to the next line, which is the URL and keyword combinations. Here's where you'll enter all of your combinations. You can enter as many as you want. There is no limit to the combinations you can use, and you do want to enter them one per line. I have a couple that I've created here to use for this example, so we'll just paste those in. Paste 2 of them in. And you'll see that I'm entering them one per line. Go to the next line. The important thing about this field to note is that you do want to make sure you are using the correct format for the links and keywords. So the correct format would be http://www.yoururl.com opening bracket keyword 1 break keyword 2 break keyword 3 and then close the bracket, or however many keywords you have, close the bracket, and then hit enter and do the same thing again for the next line. Next, we have the advanced options. These are optional features that you can use in an advanced project. This is, again, an advanced area, and it's recommended for advanced users. The first option we have is comments. Here, for your blog comments, you can enter as many comments as you'd like to use, and it is Spintax supported, so you can enter your spun content here. I have a list here of comments that we're going to use, so we'll just copy and paste a couple of them in, for example. You'll notice that with the comments, same as above, you're going to just do one per line. So there's one. We'll choose a second one. Try to pick a short one here. Well, this one's not that short, but we'll use it anyway. And you can see there that it goes right into the second line. Hit enter, and again, just one per line. Next, for your forum profile links, there's the text before URL. Here you would enter any text that you want to come up before the link that's built in your forum profile backlinks. One thing to note is you do want to keep the text here fairly short. This is just fail-safe for making sure that the backlinks that are created in the forums do not get broken. So, for instance, we'll just use text before 1, text before 2, and so on, one per line. And then we move on to the text after, which is basically the same as above. You want to make sure to keep the text, again, very short, and we'll do text after and text after 2. And again, you would go on to the next one, line per line. And then lastly, we have the bind forms option. And basically, when binding all the forms, this will force the Dripable system to use the list of inputted data in order. So everything on line 1 of each field will be bound to each other when creating your forum and blog comments. This will continue on down the list in order from top to bottom, which basically gives you more control of how your backlinks are built within our system. And then after that's all complete, we'll look everything over, make sure it's all correct, and simply hit submit. We have success. Our project was created. You can see that here. We'll double check by going to My Projects, scrolling down to the bottom, and there we have it, Test Project, the date that it was created, and the time. This concludes creating an advanced project. We'll see you in the next video.